for joining. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. For yours truly, Spring Garden 1. Today I'll be preparing for you breakfast, and of course it's hash brown. And I'm gonna prepare with it as well some nuggets, and of course I'm gonna give you some turkey bacon. So stay tuned, stand by, and watch as we present to you something that I'll be eating for breakfast. This is truly Spring Garden 1. I'll be preparing these hash browns, and of course I'll be doing them in air fryer. So that's what I'm gonna do. Air fry these hash brown, and of course guys, as you can see, I already put them in the air fryer and I'm turning them. I make sure my air fryer was preheated up to 420 Fahrenheit, and then I put them in. I make each side stay 10 minutes is what I give each sides, and after I keep turning them and allow them to get brown and crispy, as you can see guys. So I'm turning them already, and of course, as I said, this is air fryer, so I didn't put any oil inside of the air fryer with these hash browns. So of course, I'm just making sure that they're well brown and crispy. So this is what it looks like. This is the finishing touch guys. As you can see, they're brown and ready to take out. Well crispy, as you can see. These are the turkey bacon, and as I said guys, no oil. I'm trying to make sure there's no oil in these. This is what it look like when I put it in the air fryer. As you can see, and you will see the finishing product after I take it out of the air fryer. I just give it 10 minutes as well, but you can give it 5 if you want to, but I'll make sure it well crispy with doing it by 10 minutes. This is what it look like, and of course I glaze them with some organic maple syrup. And this is a nugget. As you can see, I'm showing the package right here, and I'm gonna show you what it look like when I put it in the air fryer. And please remember, we're still going along with no oil, no oil. And of course, I ate a few of the hash brown already, so I eventually have to put back some in the air fryer because I already ate some, and they're crispy. Just the color of the video, I don't know the reason why it's looking like that, but they're already completed. And this is what the finishing touch look like guys. Take a look what it's look like. It's coming up right here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. It's just Julie Spring Garden 1. I appreciate you all for taking the time out to join with me. And as I said, I'm preparing nuggets, hash brown, and of course turkey bacon for breakfast. And I'm sharing with you. Have some. Cheers, eat, have fun. It's just Julie Spring Garden 1.